guys, it's Mia. How are you? Today we're going over the December box from Paleteful Packs, so let's open it and see what's inside. But first we need to get rid of all of this crinkly Christmas paper out the way. The first item we have is this Winsor & Newton fine liner, and I swear we got this last month as a replacement, but let's continue. Next we have 4 Marabu alcohol markers. They're dual tipped, one end fine, the other end chisel. I have carbon black, primary yellow, warm gray light, and cool gray light. Now I have 5 Copic sketch markers, and these are also dual tipped with a brush and a chisel. The colors I have are yellow green, pink, ultramarine, chrome orange, and burnt sienna. A Paleteful Packs Christmas cat sticker. Last but not least, we have our surface. It's a Marabu graphics marker pad. This pad has 75 pages and is 75 GSMs. So that was everything, and now it's time to swatch these markers and talk about this month's box. Let's talk about this Marabu graphics marker paper. Marabu is a brand I see quite often in art boxes. Sometimes I see them on Amazon or in a couple of box stores. But Marabu is based in Germany, and not only do they make art products, but they also manufacture screen, digital, and pad printing inks. And I'll post Marabu's links in the description. But I've used their alcohol markers in the past. They're okay, they're pretty decent. And this is my first time using their marker paper, and this paper is very different than the Bristol paper I use all the time. This paper feels like tissue paper almost, but a little more stronger, and I was afraid that the markers were going to bleed through to the next page, but shockingly, it didn't. I was like, whoa, this is crazy. And let's see, the sheets tear out of this pad a little too easily. And some people might like that, but I don't personally. But yeah, this is very interesting marker paper. It's also easy to trace an image onto the paper. You just put the image you want to trace underneath the sheet, and it's easy to see it through the paper, and you just trace it. So yeah, I'll probably experiment some more with this. So I have to be honest. At first, I was excited to get this month's box, but now I'm a little disappointed. It seems like Paleteful literally threw a bunch of random markers in the box and called it a day. I have the most unappealing, uninspiring set of colors, which makes me sad. I mean, don't get me wrong, on their own the markers are great. I mean, the colors are very vibrant, they're still useful, and of course I'm going to add them to my collection. But you know, just watch my last video with Sketchbox. We got the 3-pack of Copic sketch markers plus the red Tombow marker. And those were 2 different brands, but the colors were pretty much in the same family. There was cohesion, so everything still worked out. I hate to be picky, but I'm just not feeling the colors all together. They're not Christmassy, there's no theme. And usually when you get an art box, it's expected that you have to create a work of art with the materials in that box. I mean, it's not required, but since I'm not feeling the colors that I have to use from this month's box to create a drawing or whatever, it's actually frustrating. But you know, I don't have to do that. I can always use other markers that I have in my personal collection and use those along with the Paleteful packs, and you know, it's just whatever. But yeah, I'm probably being picky, but you know, it is what it is, and I'll make the best with what I got. So just one more thing, and it's about the presentation of the box. Like I said, the markers were just all loose inside, and if there were just a couple of loose markers and the others were in packages, it would have been no big deal. But I'm just being picky again. It seems like no care was put into how the products would look once you open the box. Remember that felt pencil pouch we got last month for Paleteful's 5th anniversary? Wouldn't it have been nice to have received that pencil pouch this month instead? Just picture it. You get this box with all these loose markers, 9 in total, but included is a nice pencil pouch. That would have been really nice. Anyway, you guys, what do you think of this month's box from Paleteful Packs? Do you like the colors I received? Well, this is the end of the video. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!